I only have 7 marshmallows left on this plate. So, good luck.
When I call your name, come up and get your marshmallow. Lashana?
Barbara? Harleen?
Beth? Trent? Gwen?
Looks like we only have 1 marshmallow left. Matthew, Rogie, it's down to you two. And one of you doesn't get this marshmallow, will immediately go to Shack of Shame or leave on the car of losers. Or the Flash of Shame. Who's it gonna be? This is the Department of Environmental Protection. You're busted, Rogie. Huh? For what? For letting Izzy create an environmental disaster, that's what. Residents of Wawanakwa and the Alex Productions Police Department, you're hereby under arrest.
You mean all that trash you were talking was true? No, just the RCMP part.
Well, me and Rogie got a bail.
See ya. You'll never get me alive!
Me and my big mouth. Hey, Izzy, wait for me! Well, guess it was a double elimination. Rogie and Izzy are going to the Shack of Shame.